Hello and a very good afternoon and evening to everyone. So I'm just going to take a recap of what's happened today so far, and the main point to take away from today was those FOMC minutes which came out pretty recently. So that was for the April 25th meeting, and the main point there was the fact that they said several of the FOMC members saw a need for further easing if conditions worsened. Last time, from the last meeting in March, they said just a couple of members, so slightly more dovish there, a couple more members seeing a need for further easing if the situation, the economic conditions do deteriorate. Now, with this, we saw a very quick or fast money move in terms of US stock futures to the upside. This was paired, and then we did see a move higher in terms of T-notes, catching a bit of a bid tone and finishing in some positive territory for the session. Other than that, it's been relatively quiet. We did see source comments earlier from a central bank source saying that ECB, they had stopped monetary policy operations for Greek banks as the recapitalisation plans for Greek banks are not in place. And then we saw the ECB confirm this. They said they'd moved 4 Greek banks from their main operations to the use of emergency liquidity assistance. So with the official confirmation, we saw very limited reaction. We did see a move with the source comments, however, saw a bit of a move lower. Now, in terms of the cash markets in the US, we are trading relatively flat, looking to finish in some minor negative. We have been moving lower into the close. In terms of aftermarket earnings, we've just got limited brands. Tomorrow, pre-market, we do have Walmart, so that'll be in focus. As well on the calendar tomorrow, we have the weekly initial jobless claims and continuing claims. We've also got Philly Fed a bit later on. In terms of the European session, we do have the Spanish GDP numbers, so that'll be quite interesting. Looking to show, or expected to show, a contraction of 0.3%. We also have the Japanese GDP reading overnight. That's expected to show growth of 0.9%. The last reading did show a bit of a contraction, so it'll be quite interesting to see that reading. In terms of fixed income events tomorrow, we've also got Spain tapping 3 different lines, looking to raise a relatively small amount of between 1.5 to 2.5 billion euros. We've also got UK gilt mini tender operations, so that's in the 2014 gilt with a coupon of 5%. Now that's about it from me. We'll have another update for you tomorrow morning and a bit of a look ahead for the rest of the session, but in the meantime, have yourself a very pleasant evening.